Welcome back, guys. Last video on Maths Paper 1 Grade 10, Question 7, November 2020. I think 2021 rather. I think 2020 didn't have Question 7, so the last video was on Question 6. So now let's have a look at this Question 7. It was a probability question for which it was divided into 7.1 and also, let me just check if we've got 7.2 rather. Yes, we do also have got 7.2 on this question. All right, great stuff. So now let's move right along. We are given for two events. We've got event A and B, not mutually exclusive. Very, very important. This one, it simply means that probability of A plus the probability of B is not equal to the probability of A and B. All right, good stuff. So now they are said you are given the following probability of A and therefore probability of A again. Is it? Okay. I think, I don't know how did this one pass the exam. I think yes, the probability of B, guys. Otherwise, this question won't make sense. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now let the probability of A and B be X. Oh, great stuff. We will definitely do that. Okay. They said 7.11. It says that draw the Venn diagram to illustrate the information given. Okay. 7.1.1. Okay, we need to draw a Venn diagram. Okay, we're gonna say put also the intersection there. The Venn diagram, we're gonna put everything in the box. There you go. It says the probability of A, probability of B. Now they said the intersection, let it be X, and then we know the probability of A is going to be 0.45, but let's not forget to minus the ones that are in the intersection. Probability of B is 0.55 minus the intersection as well, and therefore they said also to us that the probability of A or B is 0.2. So therefore it simply means what is left from 0.2, 0.8 is left with 0.2. It means these are the ones that are doing nothing. All right, great stuff. So now let's come here to 7.1.2. Okay, 7.1.2, it says that we need to, is divided into two questions. It says A, we need to find the probability of A and B, which is the intersection, guys. So therefore, this is going to be given to us by our original probability formula: probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A or B is equal to probability of A and B. Okay, so therefore we need to add this one now. What is probability of A? Okay, no, rather this one here, we can simply put it like this. Yeah, this is the probability of A and B. This is the probability of A or B. Okay. Is it? Yeah, it is like that, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Didn't look at the formula sheet, but anyway, we managed to get where we are. So probability of A is given by 0.45 minus X plus probability of B given by 0.955 minus X, and therefore a probability of minus probability of A and B, which is X, is equal to 0.8. Okay, great stuff. So we need to simplify this. So therefore, wait a minute. Okay, this, I think this is a plus here, ne? Yes, I think it's a plus. Therefore, this would therefore be given to us by no. I'm making a terrible mistake here. Minus, I think here it was supposed to be positive rather. Okay, yeah. Okay, all right. I see where I made a mistake, guys, but if you don't agree with me, please Let me know how would you have solved this one. I think here is a negative. I think here is a positive. Yeah. I think here it's a plus. All right. Great stuff. Therefore, yes. Therefore, one of these would go with that one, and then we need to add all this together. When you add all this together, you are going to have 1 minus x is equals to 0.8. Okay, and then therefore you take 1 that side, you're going to have minus x is equals to 0.8 minus 1 divided by negative 1 divided by negative 1. X is therefore 0.2. Okay, it's going to be given to us by 0.2, which means when I drawed my Venn diagram, guys, I made a mistake here. This 0.2 is not supposed to be there. I was just probably thinking ahead about that. So now they didn't say anything about a event of A and B not happening. So this is our 0.2. So therefore, our x, our intersection, the probability of B, and this is the probability of B and A and B rather. Okay, good stuff. So now let's move to number B. It said the probability of A or not B. Okay, let's come here. Oh, sorry guys, let me go back there. Made a mistake there. I'm already moving to 7.2. Okay, great stuff. So let's see the probability of. Okay, good. Looks like guys, I didn't work on this one. All right, guys, let's leave this one. I think we'll do this one later on, guys. I think we'll do this one on the next video. I'll make a better video and then I'll do this one again because really I didn't work on it. But anyway, let's come here and work on it. B will therefore be the probability of A or not B. Okay, so now you know the probability of A is 0.4. The probability, we know the probability of A is what is 0.45. Then the probability of not B is going to be given by 1 minus 0.55. Okay, so therefore 0.45 plus this one is going to give us let me rather work on it. It's going to give us 0.45, which is going to give us the probability. When you add everything together there, you should be able to get 0.9. Okay, and that's how you would deal with question B. Please let me know, guys, what you think about this one. This was 7.1 November 2021. Okay, great stuff. So now moving right along, 7.2. 7.2 says in a survey, 80 people were questioned about their preference between iPhone and iPhone, which is A, and also Samsung, or both. Okay, we know this is our daily arguments. Oh, I'm using iPhone, no Android, iPhone, Android. Yeah, but let's find out from the statistics what did they find here. Okay, they are saying that the results show that 30 people prefer iPhone and then 45 people prefer Samsung. Oh, okay, yeah. By the way, I'm also a Samsung user. All right. I use Samsung to edit most of my videos because it's easy and convenient to use. Okay, and then 12 people prefer either. So these ones, they don't use either of those ones. These ones are probably using Huawei and yeah, and the rest. Yeah, and Mobicel as well. All right, good stuff. So now determine how many people prefer both. Okay. So what are we looking for? We're looking for both. Okay, so now we can come here and say the original formula for probability says probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. All right, great stuff. So now we know that 80 people, this is the total sample. 80 people were questioned. Okay, so this is our sample, and therefore we know that A A and B. So this is Samsung. So we know that these ones, they are A, they prefer to use iPhone. These ones are B, they prefer to use Samsung. These ones, they don't prefer to use any of the phones. Okay, great stuff. So now, if we come here, we are going to say, okay, what is the number of people? Sample is 80. The number of people that use A or B. Okay, so this one is just going to be the total number of people, which is 80, minus the ones that are using either. Okay, great stuff. So probability of A is going to be 30 divided by 80, plus probability of B is going to be 45 divided by 80. What are we looking for? Okay, not equal to, rather, minus, we are looking for the probability of these ones here. Okay, so that's what we're looking for, the intersection. So now this one is just going to be 68 over 80, minus, I'm also taking everything to that side, 80 divided by 80, therefore minus 45 over 80, which is going to be equal to probability of A and B, but everything here needs to be divided by 1. Okay, because I already, here it was negative, so I divided by -1 on both sides. Therefore, the probability, oh guys, I'm sorry, I'm moving so quick on this one, but if you don't understand, please guys, let me know if I should make another video specifically on this question, explaining everything slowly, because I feel like I'm moving too fast. But you guys let me know what you think. All right, okay, so if you put everything in our calculator here, we should be able to get to an answer of, let me say, okay, 80 really doesn't matter. Okay, 68 minus 30, okay, minus 45 is going to give me 7 negative 7, rather, negative 7 divided by -1, or is going to give us 7. So it means out of these people, 7 people prefer to use both. Yeah, makes sense, because they are both expensive, so you can't be having both. Only 7 people are using both out of 80 people that we have. All right, I am Gaston Mapala. Very, very exciting to be doing mathematics with you guys. I really enjoy when you guys interact with me, ask me questions, show me all the mistakes that I've made while I'm busy recording these videos, and then yeah, reaching out. I mean, guys, I mean, just let's talk about this mathematics, man. It's exciting. I mean, let's enjoy it together. If you're finding it difficult, please let me know. Request for one-on-one. I will definitely assist you, and then I will see you on the next upload, okay, where we'll be doing paper 2. Yeah, I think we should, yeah, I mean, let's just go ahead, guys, and do paper 2 from 2022 up until 2020. I mean, we can do it. Okay, so see you then, guys, on the next upload.